Yes, hello everyone, welcome back into this video and welcome back again to Max TV. In this video I'm going to show you the one of the AI tools that you can use to convert your image or your JPG files to text. So sometimes you might be having the file in JPG format and you want to be converting it into text, and you're asking yourself how can be doing this. As you can see here on my laptop, I have a photo here. So this is a photo. If you are seeing it, it is in the form of JPG. As I want to be opening it, so if I open JPG file, that is where you can see this one. So I have prepared this JPG file. As you can see, this is also the JPG format, which means now by looking at here, you can be able to use this file as JPG or as a photo, but it cannot be easy for you to either edit it in Microsoft Office Word or any other files editor. That is because you have the photo, so you can be posting it on WhatsApp or everywhere, but every person can be seeing it as a JPG file here. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be converting this one. If we're looking here, you see the file here, which means we can be converting it. So then you're going to be converting this file into text and see how we can be getting the text to be able to change anything. How can be getting these files, this text which is there into MS Word, into PowerPoint, into Excel. It all depends on what you want to choose. So this AI tool that I'm going to be showing you can be helping you to also to change everything, and also can be able to convert this file, edit it, and also change the information as you want, which can be hard if you want to be converting it in another way. So what you're going to do is that you need to come here in your browser. Then I want to be typing in your browser ocr2edit.com. so as you can see, it is pending in my browser. So this is also the same way you can be doing this even on your Android phone. You can go to your internet search bar and search this. This is the same. So ocr2edit.com. also this is the platform. Also it's a AI tool that you can be using to convert your JPG files into text as well. Then you have to also to hit enter and also try to explore or try to convert our file. So what I do is that I press enter, then I go direct to the platform. So once I'm on the platform, that is where you can see I can be able to do a lot of things, including scanned image to text, PDF to text, convert to Excel, make PDF searchable file, convert to Word, so image to text. This is the one I'm going to be focusing on, which is also the one which is going to be helping us to be able to convert this image to text as well. What we need to do is that I'm going to be clicking here. So once I click here, what I'm going to do, I want to select where my file is located on my laptop. If you are using your phone, that means your file is located on your phone. You need to check whether where your file is located on also your phone, then also be able to proceed with this one. So I'm going to be selecting here the file. Either I can choose either from my device, from Dropbox, from Google Drive, from URL. These include the one which is on the internet or which is hosted somewhere, where I need to fetch that image from by using that URL. So what I need to do, I need to hit select, choose from my device, then proceed. You can see my file is proceeding upload and now is complete. So from here you can be cancelling it. You can add the sample file that you want to be also using, and what you need to do is that you need to be clicking here on the start option. So once you click on the start option, that means you want to start also converting the file. So as you can see here, that means I have already converted the file. I was having an introduction page, which was also a GPG file or photo or kind of image, and I also have already converted it into file into text as well. What I need to do is to hit on this download option so that I can download my text from the image. So I hit here, then I download the text from the image. So now what I need, this is the also, it was this GPG file. Now I need also to click on this one, introduction page. You can see now it is .txt file. So if it is .txt file, that means also it is in form of text. And as we can see, it is now already opening as in Visual Studio as my default tool to be opening TXT file. So, and as you can see, it has already loaded all the text as it was on the GPG file. That means you can be able to copy this text and also be able to paste it in Microsoft Office Word, Microsoft Office PowerPoint, Excel, and the others, which is also very easy to edit here, and also which is very easy for you to save it somewhere.